The 2024 Zimbabwe International Trade Fair was historic in many ways. The responses from exhibitors was overwhelming, and if foreign exhibitors' messages are anything to go by, there seems to be a shift in terms of investors' perspective on Zimbabwe. So what else was outstanding at the just-ended trade fair? Andile Chuma gives us more in the following report.
This year's theme highlighted that innovation, industrialization, and trade are complementary efforts that open pathways to economic growth and progress. It sought to spotlight Zimbabwe as a nation boasting a vibrant and growing innovation scene, largely driven by government initiatives as espoused in the Guiding Vision 2030. The exhibition lived up to its billing as a multi-sectoral and international trade showcase, with the key sectors of the Zimbabwean economy including manufacturing, agriculture, mining, tourism, services, and infrastructure all well represented. In an interview, the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair Company Board Chairperson Busisa Moyo said the exhibition uptake was impressive, with a 35% increase in the number of exhibitors, totaling 766 compared to 565 in 2023. The 766 exhibitors were comprised of 471 direct exhibitors and 295 indirect exhibitors.
The whole idea of enterprise. From an organizer's perspective, we are well pleased to note that the majority of ZITF 2024 exhibits captured these important elements, and we are also satisfied with the bigger size, higher quality, and outlook of the show. All that suggests a shared national quest for global standards and best practice.
The exhibition showcased a wide range of companies and organizations that focused on different aspects of innovation and growth. Some of the key areas covered were disruptive innovation and its impact on various industries, utilizing digitalization for sustainable growth, promoting grassroots innovation, and tech startups. Industry Minister Mangaliso Ndlovu said the trade showcase offered opportunities for Africa to increase intertrade, which he said remained very low over the years.
So that we are able to take advantage of the African Continental Free Trade Area, explore the exports market, get an Africa that is trading with itself. Our intra-trade is quite low, and I think it's a very important session which we want to continue to grow as we move forward, bring in more regional trade bodies so that we are able to come up with proper strategies that can help us drive intra-Africa trade.
A total of 26 countries were represented by 154 exhibitors in the ZITF 2024 exhibition, and these were Belarus, Botswana, Brazil, China, European Union, Indonesia, Japan, Malawi, Namibia, Nigeria, Mozambique, South Africa, South Korea, United Arab Emirates, France, Germany, Italy, Romania, Sweden, Netherlands, the United Kingdom, the United States of America, Kenya, Kingdom of Eswatini, Switzerland, as well as Zambia.
We as Trade Fair Company are grateful to all our exhibitors, both direct exhibitors and indirect exhibitors. What is more important to note is that 208 of the total exhibitors were exhibiting for the first time. The majority of those exhibiting for the first time were foreign exhibitors, which again is a good sign.
The 64th edition of the Trade Showcase ended on a high note, with a call to action for industries to align with the theme and innovate to accelerate industry and trade.
It's the Zimbabwe International Trade Fair 2024 edition. This 64th edition ends on a high note with a call to action for industries and business alike to innovate, which is a catalyst for industrialization and trade. This has been the theme for this edition of the International Trade Showcase. Stakeholders have been called to innovate, to network even beyond the 6 days of the trade fair. We have seen, as you can see behind me, it has been a very busy week, and we see families coming in to spend time with their loved ones here at the trade showcase on the last day. The Kenyan President, His Excellency William Ruto, called for businesses to leverage on the opportunities presented by the African Free Continental Trade Area, as well as other trade agreements with other countries. For example, Zimbabwe has a trade agreement with the European Union for free trade. So the Kenyan President was saying that such opportunities are gold, such opportunities are golden for industry and business to take advantage of them and go on towards a growth trajectory in line with the country's vision 2030. We now look forward to ZITF 2025. For ZTN Prime, I'm Andile Chuma.
Konapo, ipapo pa ZTN Prime, DSTV channel 294, the place to be.